Good morning!
Good morning.
Yes, I am a tech CEO with a fancy microphone. No, I just didn't want to scream this year. Welcome to the 3rd annual Arizona Shavers Meetup. Thank you guys so much for coming out. We're so excited to have everyone here, and we just wanted to say thanks for being part of this awesome community. Thank you for supporting wet shaving. It is a growing community, it's a growing hobby. It's always strange when you tell somebody that you are a wet shaver and that you use a vintage razor or a new modern double-edged razor, and they look at you a little confused. And then you tell them that you're going to be going to a get-together with other like-minded individuals just to hang out and talk about razors. But that's what we're doing today, right? Yes. We are very, very honored and privileged to have plenty of awesome vendors who have joined us today from far around. We have people from Canada, we have people from San Diego, Los Angeles area, we have people from Massachusetts, like PAA literally flew from Massachusetts for this. So huge stuff, guys. Thank you so very much for coming out. Feel free to circulate throughout the building. We will be doing a shop tour. We'll be doing a beard care demo by Corey from WSP. Thanks, Corey, for being here. And our very own DJ, Dondra Joan, the soap maker for Razor Emporium, will be doing a soap demo. And you guys will be walking out today with a free Arizona Shavers Meetup exclusive soap. It's exclusively just for today. So thank you so much for coming and enjoy yourselves. And I'll announce when we do a shop tour in a little bit.
You know, I feel like it's a time when we can get off the keyboards, get off our phones, and this hobby that we're so used to doing in the bathroom by ourselves kind of comes to life and becomes real. You get to be face to face with other guys who are into wet shaving. You get to meet them. Maybe it's someone you knew, maybe you're in a group together, or you've had a chat, or you sold something or bought something from them. And now you get to shake hands and really hang out in real life and talk all about how cool this hobby is. If you've bought a product from one of these, awesome vendors that attended, you get to meet them and shake their hands. And it was so cool, like seeing, oh, hey, I love your soap. Oh, I love this razor you made. Or thanks so much for being part of our community. It's a great opportunity to come out. If you guys haven't done it, you gotta make the next meetup. We've been really consistent about having them in February every year, and I'm happy to host it. We're very fortunate that we have a building big enough to bring everyone into and kind of make it the home base. This community can only grow if we keep on celebrating our growth, sharing our stories, telling our friends, telling our neighbors, and that's how this thing keeps on getting bigger. So if you haven't done so, look out for your next meetup. I always try to attend them. I know I'm going to Maggards in April. I love going to meetups. I love being part of the action, being on the scene. And I hope to see you next time at Razor Emporium for our next meetup in 2025. Because that's where it's not going to stop. We're going to keep on doing them. We're going to keep on growing bigger and better. That's all I got today. Thank you so much for being part of this community. And we'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving.